Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet. We're bored on a rainy day, so we're going to give you a tour of a park model. This is a Quailridge front den. I'll go around the outside. 100% maintenance free. That door there is a 20-gallon water heater. 6-foot sliding patio door. Outside light goes there. That's the exhaust for the rain hood. Outside light by the rear door. It's got yellow shutter or green shutters, antique white siding, white corners, windows, and trim. Very good looking unit. It's wired for central air. There's a box, and that is the thermostat wire right there. Pre-wired for phone and cable, park cable, double axle, walk-a-bay at dinette. I'm going to demonstrate them windows for you. Here's the tag. It's a QRT39FD 2008 model. Last 4 digits. 9548. Forgot to mention it's got 6 over the roof tie down straps on it too. Tongue comes off for easy storage. Moving on to the inside, we got entertainment center. We've got upgraded sofa, chandelier. Why don't you demonstrate this recliner for us? Little desk here. This front room, go ahead and move that. Oh, they got a screw in it. I wanted to demonstrate my front den, but they've got a screw holding the door back. At any rate, the door slides across, and that front room serves as an extra bedroom. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. 18 cubic foot fridge, 56,000 BTU furnace, track lighting in the kitchen, composite sink, single lever faucet with sprayer, lots of cabinets in here. Beautiful master bedroom, ceiling fan in the master bedroom, his and hers wardrobe. We jokingly refer to that as the hers and hers wardrobe. There's lights in the closets, lights in the cabinets. The circuit breaker panel is located behind this mirror. Everything's clearly marked. Gonna head for the bathroom and show you the bathroom. We'll have a look inside the closet here. Closet's complete with closet rods and lights. I don't know how good you can see in there. My wife's getting ready to recline the chair. Shower, tub, skylight in the bath. It's got an exhaust fan, porcelain toilet, of course, just like a house. Sink, vanity. Hello, eBay. Hello, Woodhaven. Everything's electronic ignite. Oh, there she's got the chair recline. Mastercraft furniture. Everything in it stays in it. End table and nightstand. And a big lamp and a little lamp is standard. All windows have treatments on them. The windows are single hung thermal pane. The sash is tilt in for easy cleaning. Go ahead and demonstrate this window.
Shoes have mud on them. I'm not coming in.
No mud in the trailer today. That's our entertainment center. Wired for stereo. can't quite demonstrate this myself, but there we go. So I've got the window tilted in. Top pane is stationary. Oops. There we go. Had the curtain caught in the window. And that's not good. Closet here. Guest closet. I like to call that a little computer desk. You can put the couch on that wall. Put a little desk in the corner, or a chair rather. Ceiling fan in the living room. Well, that concludes our tour. This is a 2008 Quailridge 39FD. Stands for front den.